Is the water in your bathroom sink draining slowly?
First, run the water and confirm how slowly it drains. Remove any visible hair or debris around the drain opening. Under the sink, locate the pivot rod. It's connected to the pop-up stopper. Disconnect the pivot rod, then carefully lift the stopper out of the drain. Hair and soap buildup around the stopper can restrict the water flow. Reinstall the stopper. And reconnect the pivot rod correctly. Now test the sink again. The water should drain normally. If several drains are slow or water is backing up, contact a qualified plumber.